You know, making money on YouTube is really simple when you get this one thing right, and unfortunately, it's the thing that most get wrong. Don't miss this video.
Brian G. Johnson.
Hey, it's Brian G, and to grow on YouTube, stake your claim and amplify your message. Do that by subscribing. Click on the bell notification and you'll be on your way. You know, a lot of YouTubers search for how to make money on YouTube for dummies. And the fact of the matter is nobody's really a dummy. It's just if you haven't done it before, if you're just getting started, you don't have the practical experience. I have that. I've actually made money online since 2003 and I've made millions of dollars. Now, I don't say that to, brag. I just want to let you know that this is what really, really matters when it comes to making the money online. You've got to build a better mousetrap. So many YouTubers, what they do is they build a channel just kind of whatever, I'm excited, I want to make money. Don't do that. If you're serious about making lots of money, then what you want to do is you want to build a channel in a very specific way. And when you do that, then you're going to make so much more than if you just kind of think about the money as an afterthought. Now, here's what's really important to understand is it's not so much the method in which you make money. Like you might be thinking, I want to make money without the AdSense program. Okay, great. What I'm going to share is fine for that. Furthermore, you might be thinking, I want to make money with the AdSense program. Okay, again, fantastic. You'll make far more money when you build a channel in a certain way. It goes for any method that you can think of when it comes to making money online. And what matters most is the audience. It's not a particular affiliate program that you want to sign up to because it pays a lot. I see so many people chasing the affiliate program, but not the audience. This is what I mean. There's a saying that says, people love to spend money. Think about it. When you have money, you're going to buy a new computer, you're going to buy a new house, you're going to buy whatever you're going to buy. You're going to take a vacation to Tahiti for a week. You're super excited about spending your money. We love to spend, but we hate to be sold to, right? Nobody likes to be sold to. And what you want to do if you want to make a lot more money is to think about a huge group of people. Again, that's the audience that are all focused around one particular topic, and there's money in that particular topic, like health and weight loss. People spend money on diet pills. People hire personal coaches and trainers to help them lose weight. You see, this is a great example. There's lots of money in health and fitness. There's a huge audience around health and fitness. This is where you want to start. You don't start by choosing one affiliate program because someone's making a lot of money with that affiliate program. The reason they're making a lot of money is they've got an audience that really is into that particular focus of the affiliate program, right? That's why people make a lot of money online. Or I should clarify, that's the easy way for average people like me to make lots of money online. If you're Logan Paul and you're an entertainer, then you're going to make a lot of money on your own merch, on your own AdSense through the YouTube ads and so on. But for most of us mere mortals, that kind of entertainment level channel is a lot harder to succeed with. And here's why. You've got to have so many more views on YouTube. You've got to have such a huge audience, and you don't make a lot with each individual viewer, but you've got so many million viewers that you make a lot in the end. However, when you go after a particular subject, you can crush it. Let me give you an example. Back in the day, I made amazing money with Halloween costumes because I saw that every September and October, the amount of people looking for Halloween costumes online is off the charts. And furthermore, the competition, in other words, the amount of stores online selling Halloween costumes was pretty low, especially when I did it back literally in 2003, 2004. I saw there was an audience for Halloween. I jumped in and I made tremendous money, and there's still will always be a huge audience every fall buying candy, costumes, and decorations for their home. So if you want to make money, then what you can do is focus on particular niches that are known to be big money makers. This is things like health, fitness, make money online, software applications. All of these things have huge amounts of people looking to buy every day. Remember earlier in the video, I mentioned people love to buy. Well, when you select a particular topic, you can be the guy or the gal that helps people buy. You don't have to try to sell anything because these people have already decided they're excited to buy, and you're the one that helps them make the decision. Let's take, for whatever reason, underwater scuba diving just came to my mind. If you are into scuba diving, you could create videos about scuba diving, about different scuba diving gear. You could link to Amazon.com. That's affiliate marketing, and you could make great money doing that. The most important thing to consider is you want to develop an audience along the way, and you want to share helpful content that they really enjoy. If it's health and fitness, then what you can do is you can publish and share your own personal story with health and fitness, losing weight, or you can cover and share someone else's story that's lost weight. You can share what you learn about the particular niche and the subject as you move forward. And over time, you will build up an audience, you will gain their trust, and you won't have to do much selling because, again, trust. That's what this book actually is really all about. It's about setting up shop online, targeting a particular audience. I really don't care if you buy this book or not. I just want to illustrate, well, trust is really important. Now, as you move forward, the thing to consider is the deeper you go in a particular niche, the more you're going to become an expert in that niche. This is what I mean. I don't have a YouTube channel about marketing. I've got a channel about YouTube video marketing, about how to drive views, how to grow a channel, how to build a close group of people that absolutely love your content. That's what matters. And when you start out, here are some additional tips. Plan on getting monetized with the YouTube Partner Program. Don't try to sell anything when you get started. Simply show up, share great information, and along the way, what'll happen is people will begin again to trust you and to value your video content. And then when you get monetized, you'll be making money with ads. You could go live now and then. You could share, all you need is a phone. You can go live with your mobile phone, and once you're monetized, people can super chat you, which is basically like tipping you for simply sharing the content that you do. Think about how awesome that is. Every time I go live, I make $100. Amazing. Think about how many people go live all the time, but they don't have a particular audience focused around one thing, like mine is video marketing and YouTube, and they don't make any money. So give away great information early. You'll develop the most important thing when it comes to making a lot of money, which is the audience, and you'll go really far. Now do this. Check out these additional videos for more YouTube tips and tricks. If you're new to the channel, click on the yellow B to the G icon to subscribe, and you'll do just that. And you'll feed a poodle when you do. I got two and they're hungry. I'll see you next time. You dig?